Okay. Next, properties 9. The scalar triple product is 0. The scalar product of three vectors should be 0 if any two vectors are parallel or collinear. Any two vectors are parallel or collinear. So how, sir? See, let us choose. Okay, A vector parallel to B vector. Any two vectors are parallel. Here, any two vectors are parallel or perpendicular. So I will choose A vector parallel to B vector. What's the definition of parallel? That's the meaning A vector is equal to lambda B vector. Okay, the definition of parallel vector. So here the cross product of A vector, B vector and C vector equal to, here A vector is equal to what's the value? Lambda B vector. Okay, you substitute the value of lambda B vector, again B vector, again C vector. Taking lambda scalar taking common, what is the meaning? B vector, C vector. So the properties of scalar triple product, cross product any two vectors are equal to, any two vectors are same, the cross product value should be 0. Same way, this value fully 0. Up here, what is the conclusion? A vector, B vector, C vector. The cross product of any three vectors, the cross product is equal to 0 if A vector parallel to B vector or A vector perpendicular. So A vector parallel to B vector or the two vectors are collinear. These are conditions. Next, the important property, very important properties. Okay, as a many times asked in the board question paper. Okay, here what's the property, sir? Here A vector, B vector and C vectors are coplanar. Coplanar. Even only if, okay, you see that simple. That's the meaning of simple meaning. Even only if the cross product of A vector, B vector, C vector is equal to 0. This is many times asking board question. So the three vectors, how do you prove that? Any three vectors, how do you prove that the coplanar means the using scalar triple product. The cross product value should be 0 means the three vectors are coplanar vector. Okay, this property based on the small two examples. Okay, first here given, show that the vectors are here A vector, B vector, C vector. Three vectors are given. To prove that the three vectors are coplanar. Now what's the properties? Three vectors are coplanar means the cross product is equal to 0. Or the cross product value should be 0 means the three vectors are coplanar. Both are equal. That's the meaning of if and only if. So same way, but how do you prove that three vectors are coplanar? Okay, about take it the cross. Okay, so given three vectors are given, how do you prove that the three vectors are coplanar? So using the property 10, any three vectors are coplanar means if and only if the cross product value should be 0. So I prove that the cross product value should be equal to 0. But here cross product of A vector, B vector, C vector is equal to determinant of A vector. What's the value? -2, 4. B vector is equal to -2, 4, -2. C vector is equal to 4, -2, -2. Here that's the value. Here to simplify -2 into here -8, -4. Here minus of minus +2. Here simplify +4 +8. Okay, +4 into here simplify +4 -16. You got to simplify the value should be 0. What are the conclusions? The cross product of A vector, B vector, C vector is equal to 0. Only therefore, what are the conclusion? A vector, B vector, and the C vectors are coplanar. Okay, coplanar. Understood? Right. Same way, given three vectors, sometimes asking two more questions. Sometimes Jay will answer this question also. Given three vectors are coplanar, find the value of lambda. That's the meaning. Okay, given three vectors are coplanar, given condition, find the value of lambda. So what are conclusions? Here, three vectors are A vector, B vector, and C vectors are coplanar. Given conditions. Okay, coplanar. Now what are conclusions? If and only if coplanar means the cross product of A vector, B vector, and C vector is equal to 0. So but here using the determinant of what are the value coefficient of A vector? 2, -1, again 1. Next B vector is equal to 1, 2, -3, C vector is equal to 3, lambda 5 is equal to 0. Just to explain, 2 and here what's the meaning? 10 plus 3 lambda plus 1. Again we get 5 plus 9. Okay, plus 1 and here lambda minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, simplify the concept, find the value of lambda. Here this will multiple, here 20 plus 6 lambda. Here what's the meaning? 14. 14. Again lambda minus 6 is equal to 0. What are the lambda? Is equal to 7 lambda. That's clear. Here to 7 lambda. Again 20 plus 14. Here 34. Again minus 6. That's again plus 28. Or plus 28 is equal to 0. Okay. That is 7 lambda is equal to minus 28. Therefore lambda is equal to minus 4. Okay. This is a many time asking board question also. So here you prove that 3 vectors are coplanar. So next example you prove that 4 vectors, given 4 position vector, how do you prove that coplanar? Okay, you see one example. Okay, here the 4 vectors show that the 4 points, 2 position vectors are given. Okay, here the 4 position vectors are given, or to prove that the 4 position points, okay, coplanar, you prove that. So the last example, any 3 vectors you prove that coplanars. Okay, that's mean path product of A vector, B vector, C vector is equal to 0. Same here the 4 position vector. So I consider I will take the OA vector is equal to position vector, OA vector, OB vector, and OC vector, and I will take the OD vector. Okay, you take the any one point fixed at the common point. What it means? I will take the position vector means I find out AB vector. What's the AB vector means? The position vector of OB vector minus OA vector. What's the position OB vector? Here OB vector is equal to 16 I cap minus 29 j cap, again minus 4 cap, minus OA vector is equal to minus 6 I cap plus 7 j cap. Okay, just to simplify, 16 here what meaning 10 I cap minus 20 j cap here about minus 22 j cap minus 4 k cap. This will find out first. I will find out AB vector. Next, same way I find out AC vector. This is a point A should be fixed. Okay. Always any one point. Suppose I will fix the point A means AB, AC, AD, or BA will fix the BA, BC, BD. Any one point should be common fixed point. But here AC vector, this means OC vector minus OA vector. Here simplify, what are the OC vectors equal to 3 j cap minus 6 k cap minus OA vector, that is minus 6 I cap. Here minus 6 plus 7 j cap. Okay, here simplify, what are minus 6 I cap, j cap means plus 10 j cap, again minus 6 k cap. This is the value of AC vector. Next, AD vector. Find out the value of AD vector is equal to OD vector minus OA vector. Here OD vector, what's the OD vector? 2 I cap plus 5 j cap plus 10 k cap minus OA vector. Here OA vector is equal to minus 6 I cap, okay, plus 7 j cap. Okay, you go to simplify. Here minus 4 I cap j cap, here about 12 j cap, again plus 10 cap. Okay, this will find out. I will take the point A should be common. Here of AB, AC, and the AD. So same way, here you will take 3 vector. That's the meaning cross product of AB vector. Again AC vector, AD. Okay, equal to determinant of same way. Here determinant. What's the AD vector? The coefficient of the AD vector is equal to 10. Okay, here 10. Next minus 22 minus 4. Again AC vector. Here AC vector is equal to minus 6. Okay, 10 and minus 6. Here AD vector is equal to minus 4, 12, 10. We got to simplify. We get the value is equal to, we express the determinant value, we get the value is equal to 0. About what are conclusions? AB vector and AC vector again AD vector is equal to 0. The pass product should be, value should be 0. Therefore, the given 3 points are, given 4 position points are coplanar. Okay. Thank you. See you next video. We will discuss about the another one important properties. Thank you.